We're gonna pre-flight it in here in the hangar. It's nice and crowded in here, if you can see. A lot of planes. Pre-flight it, then fuel it up outside, grab our clearance, and get moving. Right now, Idaho Falls weather is, I don't know if you can see that, winds 230 at 17 knots, gusting 24, 10 miles visibility, scattered at 19, broken 28, overcast 35, 0 -3, 28, 89. And then over at Jackson Hole, weather's looking pretty good. 220 at 14, 6 miles, light snow, broken at 33, overcast 42, -2, -8, 90, 79 on the altimeter with good NOTAMs. Already checked all this stuff. We'll double check everything before we get moving, but I'm planning on the ILS Zulu into 19 once again. So come right along, hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you on the ride.
Take it up. I was telling us, I said, man,
2 lights.
invest in something what they got.
Fuel flow, all press.
They ain't gonna do it.
And 1 ITT. Lights. Boom, boom.
3210 clear for takeoff, runway 21. 17,000 stations.
Alright, runway 21, clear takeoff, 210 on the heading. And up to 17,000. I see it. 21. Some geese. Left's clear, runway's clear. They're on the other side of the runway for now. I see 21 as well. You ready? Yep.
Take off Jackson.
Thank you. Any ice is coming on? Flaps up, you'll do. Alright, 17,000 feet, about to start that descent at above 14,000 feet at the north, cleared for the approach. ILS Zulu 19 into Jackson. Oh, VNAV is alive, and we should start capturing it thusly. There we go.
Taking forward by pop.
I just want to verify that you need to cross the north at about 14. It looks like you're holding up there in Dusty still.
Yeah, we're starting down now. We're just waiting for a TOD to come in.
Ready.
And just going to advise that starting this approach, we're getting in a continuous moderate on the descent.
Ready. I had a few call there all at once. United 2661, you were one of them.
Speed brakes are out.
Center citation 318 here. Bravo's out of 8.6 to 16,000. 6318 here, Bravo Salt Lake Center, ready to contact 2 miles south of Jackson Airport. And reaching 12,000, 12,000 for direct.
Discard, I'm back in power.
Below, climb and maintain, level 370.
Alright, out of 12,000, direct Golf Charlie Kilo and up to 370. Thanks, Sierra Bravo. Yep.
I make sure I get under it safely because I want to keep in icing here and they're cooling off.
Airport 7, your hotel, go ahead.
Trying to
Airport
ignore
7,
right
your
above.
hotel, climb and takeoff of 350.
Thank you. Speed brake still deployed. Alright, flaps approach checks. Zibiv above 11,000 should be 11,483.
And we're across the north 8,000.
Yes, sir. 8,000, I see. Not Denor, but Yugsu, but yeah, I'm with you. And our 14 modified 10,000 feet. Back on power, retract the speed brakes. And hold this around. That turbulence threw the VNAV for a ride there.
That's pretty bumpy. Ground contact. 5 miles, that snow got the wheels down a little bit. Salt Lake, Citation 61 Mike Pop. You hadn't turned us over to Jackson yet, had you?
I maintained 1-2000, did not get the altimeter setting, 3.5. 2970, 3.5 Alpha, climbing 1-2000.
Air 1 Mike Pop, got that check, tower 118.07.
Yeah, over to the tower, 118.07, Citation 61 Mike Pop.
Sure, go ahead.
Jackson Tower, Citation 61 Mike Pop, RNAV 19 Zulu.
ILS.
4 kilos here, you got block Sagan.
Zibiv above 11.
4 kilos here, taxi to the de-ice pad. 611 Mike Papa, Jackson Tower, report Wamaru.
Report Wamaru, and yes, the ILS 19 Zulu we're on, sorry about that.
You just got a left tail fail, FYI. Temp is fine. But it went away.
Jet 699, contact Salt Lake Center.
Over to Salt Lake Center, have a good day, Jet 69.
Alright, Zibiv above 11. Zosu above 9,800. 40 knot wind coming over those peaks. Trying to keep it in icing too.
056 uniform, Jackson ground. 056 uniform, clear Kilo, Lima Bravo X-ray airport via Alpine 3, departure is filed. Climb via SID, accept, maintain 16,000. Expect flight level 450, 10 minutes after departure. Departure control, Salt Lake Center, 133.25. Squawk 3173.
Wamaru above 87.
Just remember this thing got to act
6 uniform, read back correct.
with me the other day, so.
Yeah. I'm gonna let it intercept, and then on the way to Yugsu, I'm gonna make the
That's
transition.
what I'm-
Kilos here, only 19 text via Alpha.
Kilo Sierra. Instincts
Kinda
kicked in,
threw
huh?
me
Yeah.
for 10 speed check. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
Alright, above 87 at Wamaru. Stay nice, and I'll tell you what, we'll do that.
Antelope's trying to come in. Starting to get a little bit of forward.
Speed 35, do you need to de-ice? Speed 35, runway 19 text via Alpha.
I'm in and out.
I'm inside. 7 miles from Wamaru to Yugsu, so we have time to make that transition.
Oops, coming in.
I see it on your side. And there's pretty much Wamaru.
And Jackson, South 861 my pop, getting ready to cross for one route.
Station 1 my pop, runway 19, clear to land.
Clear land 19, South 861 my pop.
Clear land.
And Tower Station 8940, hold short 19, awaiting IFR release.
Low can blast
Station
up for
84 Kilo
capture.
Sierra, Jackson Tower, hold short, runway 19.
Hold short 19, port
Yep. Let's go gear down.
Approach out to this, approach power is, you're down at 3 green.
3 green.
Ignition drone, anti-skids on, autopilot, yellow dampener are engaged, flaps land to go. We are cleared to land. I'm in and out.
I'm inside.
Coming up on 1,000 above here in just a minute.
Any ice is still on.
Cross you guys.
And there's Yosku on speed, on glide slope, flaps landing, landing checks. Green, flaps landing, clear to land. Again, 6,700 feet, 6651.
Going up 1,000 above. And I still have ground with it for nothing. Above.
3 miles. Checks, excuse me.
Thing is starting to come in, runway inside.
Continue, and I got it landing.
That's about 3 miles.
There we go. 3 miles and
3.5,
74, 7,300 feet. Yeah, 3. Within 3 and 7,300 feet.
And Tower 761 my pop, we picked it up within 3, about 7,600 feet.
Station 1 my pop, you got block again.
Yeah, we picked up the runway about 2.5 miles and 7,600 feet.
Station 1 my pop, roger.
72 for what it's worth.
Calling on ground, Sagan.
Autopilot, y'all damp away.
Check complete.
Cleared at 705, runway 19, taxi the Alpha behind the Sovereign.
Alright, tail and any ice is coming off.
The one at the old short.
And landing check.
Jet speed 35, get away to the Challenger out of the de-ice pad.
Action.
Looks like those other two taxiways from here look like they're not used, but I don't know.
Alright,
Giving you a heads up.
thank you.
3 in line waiting to go.
Bearing 2649, push proof.
Where's the boy? 6.
Can we take Alpha 2?
80. If we can, yeah.
I'll ask.
Alpha 2 for 1 my pop.
1 my pop a negative, that Airbus is pushing back. Take it to the end, turn left Alpha 1, taxi to Park the Alpha, monitor ground.
Alpha 1, park and monitor ground. 1 my pop will do.
Alright, Alpha 1. Welcome to Jackson Hole. Thanks for riding along, crew. Remember what it was like when it wasn't 100 degrees outside? Anyway, finally getting around to editing some of these older videos. Hope you're enjoying them. As always, let me know what you think in the comments, or more importantly, let me know if there's something that might help you in the comments. Like if you did, subscribe if you hadn't, and we'll catch you on the next flight.
Station off Alpha 1, taxi to de-ice pad V Alpha. Station 4 Kilo Sierra, runway 19, clear takeoff.
19, clear for takeoff, Fort Kilo.
Nothing right. Nothing left. Got somebody coming out of here. I see the guy.